Maya, how could you do this? This was meant to be a special gift.
But Mom, please listen. I didn't even touch the box.
If you tell them the truth, I will hide your favorite toy forever.
It was a rainy Saturday afternoon. Chloe and her younger sister, Maya, were playing a video game in the living room.
Watch out, Maya! I am the best at this game. You cannot beat me. I am trying my best, Chloe. Let's just have fun.
Suddenly, Maya made a brilliant move in the game and won the final match.
Wow! I actually won! That was an amazing game, Chloe.
You only won because my controller is slow. It is not fair.
You think you are smart, Maya? Just wait. I will make you regret this.
Later that evening, Chloe saw Maya's school art project sitting beautifully on the kitchen table. It was a colorful drawing Maya spent days working on.
Perfect. Let's see how smart you look tomorrow.
Chloe took a glass of dark grape juice and deliberately spilled it all over Maya's drawing. A few minutes later, their father walked into the kitchen.
Oh no! Look at this mess! Who spilled juice on Maya's homework?
Dad, I saw Maya drinking juice near the table earlier. She is always so clumsy.
What? No, Dad. I didn't drink juice today. I was in my bedroom.
Maya, you need to be honest and take responsibility for your own mess. Clean this up right now.
Maya felt a lump in her throat. She looked at Chloe, who was secretly smiling behind their father's back. The next day was their mother's birthday. The father had bought a brand new electronic tablet as a surprise gift and hid it inside a box on the top shelf of the hallway closet.
Chloe wanted to look at the tablet early. She climbed up a chair to reach the top shelf, but her hands shook.
The box slipped and crashed heavily onto the hard floor.
Oh, no. It is completely broken.
Chloe heard footsteps coming down the stairs. It was her mother. Panicking, Chloe quickly shoved the broken box into Maya's open backpack, which was sitting on the hallway floor.
What was that loud noise?
Mom, Maya was looking inside the closet. I think she dropped your birthday present into her backpack.
Maya! Come here right now!
Yes, Mom? Wait. Why is that box in my bag?
Maya, this was supposed to be my birthday surprise. Why would you ruin it and try to hide it in your bag?
Mom, I swear I didn't do it. I don't know how it got there.
Enough excuses, Maya. Go to your room. No television for a whole week.
Maya sat on her bed, feeling incredibly sad. Chloe walked into the room and locked the door behind her.
Listen to me, Maya. If you say anything more to Mom and Dad, I will tell them you broke their favorite camera next. They believe me, not you.
Why are you doing this, Chloe? Just because I won a game? Yes. You need to learn your place.
What Chloe did not realize was that their father was standing right outside the bedroom door, looking for a notebook. The door was thin, and the father heard every of the conversation.
Chloe, come downstairs with me immediately.
The parents called both sisters into the living room. The atmosphere was very serious.
Chloe, I heard everything you said to your sister just now. I want the absolute truth. Did you spill the juice on Maya's artwork?
Yes, Dad.
And did you drop the birthday tablet and hide it in Maya's bag?
Yes. I was jealous because she beat me at the video game. I am sorry.
Chloe, blaming your sister for your own mistakes is unacceptable. As a punishment, you will use your own savings to help pay for a new tablet, and you cannot play video games for 1 month.
Chloe looked down in shame. Then, Maya stepped forward and placed a hand on Chloe's shoulder.
It's okay, Chloe. I am glad you told the truth. I forgive you.
Maya, you have a very kind and gentle heart. Thank you for showing your sister what true strength looks like.
Chloe learned a valuable lesson that day. Winning a game is not important, but keeping the trust of your family is everything.